In this video, we're going to use the lookup function to pick up the last date entry in an unsorted list. So here we have a list of dates, and we wanted to return this date here, not the earliest date in the list, but the date last added. If we want to get the earliest date, it's a relatively straightforward formula of using the max function, so it's equals max and the full range a2 colon a, which is from A2 downwards, so it will return the latest date, 5th of the 6th, 1990. 5th of the 6th, 1990. The equals min would return the earliest date in this list. But what we want to do is pick up the last added date. So we can use the lookup function for that. So if I do equals lookup, and then the lookup value, now I'm going to put in a rather unusual format, which is a scientific function for 9 followed by 99 zeros. So a very, very large number. And then the range A2 colon A. Close bracket. Press return. And it returns 171987. For a lookup function to work correctly, or as designed, the range should be sorted in ascending order, but as you can see that this range definitely isn't sorted in ascending order, and we can use that characteristic to get what we require. So what's happening here is lookup, if it doesn't find an exact match, it will return the nearest lower value. So it's looking for this extremely large number, which it's not going to find in this range here. So the lookup function will try and find the nearest lower value, but because the array isn't sorted, the only number it can actually return is this value here, the last added value. And similarly, if I add in another date here of the 15th of 1st 2010, this last date should update, and it does. In fact, both of them do. Or if I put in a very early date, the 1st of the 1st 1926, this date updates correctly, because each time it's looking, the range is unsorted, so all the lookup can do is actually pick out the last date in the list. Thank you for watching.